Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
So yesterday we were discussing about formulas, right?
Yes.
The two tasks I think almost people completed. Right. Validation rules. Next topic. Validation rules. The validation rules also we are using for formula fields only. Formulas. We will write some formulas, but here we will not create any extra field. Okay, we will write some rules. So we will write some rules. That rules we will implement. That rules we will implement in the objects or actions, button actions, the button actions. The validation rules we will implement. These are the business validation rules. So for example, how it will be, if you log into application and go to contact, go to new, see without entering data, I'm just clicking on save button. Without entering data, click on save button. You must enter a value. What is this one? You must enter a value. See, this is nothing but the kind of validation rule. These are the validations. These are the validations. So, for example, go to contacts, click on save button. See here, you must enter a value. See what exactly these things? These are the
Mandatory
validations.
fields.
These are the business validations. Tell me. Anyone is asking doubt?
No.
Right. So without entering the data, you are clicking the save button. See, this is firing automatically. This is the validation rule. We have a separate section called validation rules. So if we go to setup, create, let me open any object. See here, we have a section called validation rule. We have a section called validation rule in the object. We click on new button. So here we can give the validation rule name and we will write the formula. We will write formulas. Yesterday we have some, we discussed with some functions, right? Default functions. So we will give some formula here and we will write some error message, what you have to display. Please enter proper email address. Please enter first name value, right? See, like this, we will write some error messages and formulas. Based on that, it will fire. Based on that, it will fire. So this is nothing but validation rules. When it will, how it will work? If the rule is true, whatever rule you are implementing, the rule is true, then it will print the error message. The rule is true, then print the error message. If the rule is false, then record will save into the system. Got my point? See here, if you go to leads, go to new section, when you click on save button without entering the mandatory fields, what will happen? The rule is true. Whatever the rule is true, that's why error message is displaying. The error message is displaying because the rule is whatever the rule they wrote, that is true. That's why it is firing. The rule is false. When the rule is false, so if you give some data, If you give some data, click on save button, the data is saving. The data is saving into the database. Getting my point? This is nothing but the validation rules. Just write down 1 or 2 points, then we will implement some of the rules. We'll see some use cases here. First point, rule. The rule is true. Is that if the rule is true, the rule is true. The rule is true. It will print error message. The rule is true. It will print error message. It will print error message. Rule is false. If the rule is false, if the rule is false, record will be saved. Record will be saved. Rule is false, then the record will be saved. Record will be saved. Use case 1 we will implement. Because we will write the formulas only. For lead object, we will implement on lead object. So field, on which field we will implement this rule? Email, lead score. Lead source is there. Lead source. The lead source is a pick list. Lead source is a pick list. What will happen here? When lead score is web, email is blank. Email is blank. This is the rule. See, what is the message we have to display? Message. Email cannot be blank. Email cannot be blank when its score is web. Its score is web. Let's write down. Take the requirement. Then we will analyze what exactly this one.
I have a doubt. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, tell me, ma'am. What is that?
I'm Vaishak. Coming some late for the network issue. Sir, I have a doubt in yesterday assignment. Anybody, are you know the
Your
yesterday
voice is
assignment?
breaking. Your voice is breaking.
Okay.
That
Hello,
one,
sir.
that answers I will send it to you. Yesterday's assignment solutions I will send it to you later. Okay, you can cross check it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Assignments like lead ratings.
Yeah, lead rating
Entering
and
the
images. Images one also given, right? Images scoring.
yeah. I
Lead
think it's
rating.
a
Image.
image URL.
Yes.
URL.
Yeah. I will send that answers to you. Some of the members already implemented.
Okay.
So whoever implemented, you just post in the copy in the notepad, question and answer. You just post in the WhatsApp. Whoever implemented.
Okay.
Yeah. Through
Okay.
notepad, copy and name. Just add in the group. Right. So what this one validation, first validation rule, writing part everyone completed, just confirm it. I will go to application.
Yes, sir.
Writing part done, right. So then what exactly here we want? Email cannot be blank when lead source is web. So go to application, go to leads, click on new button. See, when you select lead source is web. Lead source web, if you select, email field should not be blank. Email field should not be blank. Lead source, if you select as a web, lead source if you select as a web, email should not be blank. Email should not be blank. This is the rule we have to implement. Everyone clear? Requirement clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So if user select web, lead source web, email should not be blank. Some value you have to provide. Otherwise it will not save. It will not allow to save. So for this one validation rule we will create. One validation rule we will create. So go to setup. Everyone navigate to this one. Everyone navigate them. Go to build customize. Go to build customize. Leads. Go to build customize leads. Validation rules. Click on validation rules. Up to this step, everyone completed. Just confirm me. After that, I will do. To here, everyone done?
Yes.
Okay. So click on new button, everyone. Click on new button. Validation rule. Click on new button. So what is the rule we given? When lead source is web, email is blank. So that is the rule. When lead source is web, email is blank. Email is blank. Here we have to write a formula. After that, we have to write the error message what you want to display. Error message what you want to display. First, we have to write the formula. After that, we will write the error message, what we want exactly. So we'll write the formula. Can anyone give some idea how to write this one? Requirement we understood, right? When you select lead source is web, email should not be blank. Email should not be blank. Can anyone give some rough idea how to proceed to write the formula? Today I will send the document. Okay. I told, right, one of the document is there. You have to go through that document. There are some 100 examples are there. The validation formula, writing the formulas. You have to practice one by one. Right. So how to write? Here there are two conditions. Two conditions are there. Is equal lead source is web. Is equal lead source is web. Then is blank we will check. Is blank of email address. Is blank of email address. Let me try this. And because I am checking two conditions, is everyone write down? Is equal of leads source. Sorry, lead source underscore is not required because it is a standard field. What they will select? Web. So is equal of leads source is web, comma. Second condition is blank of email. Is blank of email. Email should not be blank. It will check. Email should not be blank. Is blank is the default function. It is there, right? Is blank. Now what condition we will write? What it should display then? Email cannot be blank when lead source is web. This error message we will display to the user. This message we will display to the user. There are two options they given: error location, top of the page, and field. At field level, if you want to display, it will show. Otherwise, top of the page also we can display. This is clear, everyone? Just write down. This is the formula. Check the syntax. That is very important. If any errors is there, it will display. So no errors found. No errors found. Up to here, everyone complete and confirm him. I will save the validation rule. Hope everyone completed up to here.
Yes, sir.
Just save it. Before saving, active button checked or not, you just check once. Active checkbox checked or not. It should be active. The rule should be active. Rule should be active. When after saving, it will display like this. After saving it, it will display like this. Then we will check. We will test it, this one. Okay. Go to leads. Click on new button. Click on new button. So give mandatory fields. Give mandatory fields. Then lead score, lead source, select as a web. 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 Then save it. It is displaying, right? Email
Yes,
cannot
yes.
be blank when lead source is web. This is what the requirement. This is what we want. Email cannot be blank when lead source is web. Lead source is web. Everyone able to do this one?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
What about others? Are able to do? Respond. Marna,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sabin, Naik, Aishak, Alex.
Yes, sir.
So I will give a second requirement. The first one still, if anyone is having a doubt, just share your screen and show me. I will guide you. First take the second requirement. Okay. Others can try second requirement. Still first requirement not understanding how to do. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me give requirement first. First take the second requirement. After that, I will ask to share the screen. Okay. Second requirement, object where you have to implement a lead only. Lead object. Field rating. Phone number fields we have to consider. Tool. When rating is hot, rating is hot. When rating is hot and phone is blank. When rating is hot, phone is blank. What is the error message? What is the error message we have to display? Phone number cannot be. Phone number cannot be blank. Phone number cannot be blank if rating is hot. If rating is hot. This error message you have to display. First take this one, everyone. How you will implement it. By that time, first requirement, you can share the screen. Abhin,
Yes.
first everyone writing part completed. Just confirm me before
Yes,
sharing.
yes. Yes, sir.
Right. Writing part done. Then you can start implementing this one. And now you can share. Abhin. Can unmute him. Unmute it.
Yes. Yes, I'm ready.
Right. Yeah, tell me now what is the problem.
Yes, sir. Statement.
Can you zoom it? I'm not able to see. Oh. And condition, right? I wrote. Why you wrote if? And condition you have to write. You are checking two conditions here. See, if, remove if, and give and A and D, capital letters. Capital A and D. And of is pick 1 minute. Let me check. Is pick val of lead SOUR the lead source. Web is in the single quotes. Web is in the single quotes. Web is single quotes. Web is in the single quotes.
Okay.
Right. After brackets, comma. After web brackets, one bracket is enough, right? Why two brackets? You one bracket you remove. After web, one bracket, closing bracket, you just remove it. You're not understanding. See, after
This
and
bracket.
one bracket, see, after and one bracket, you have to give take.
Okay.
Open one bracket. And here is a pick val lead. So web. After web, one bracket close. Right, comma is blank of email. At last, two brackets close. Right. Just check the error message now.
No errors.
Hmm?
No errors.
Right. Rule name give. What is the rule name? It's mandatory fields, right? First you have to give rule name. So what is the rule name?
When lead source is web.
Email cannot be blank when lead source is web. Rule name, yeah, give that one. You can try to save now. That is enough. Go to leads and try once. Test it, working or not. What about second assignment? You people are doing?
Yes,
Anyone
yes.
completed? It's working.
This email cannot
Yeah,
be
can you
when
share
lead
the
source is
screen
web.
and show me? I mean,
Okay.
it's working.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Can stop the sharing.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, right. The second assignment, can anyone share the screen and show me how it is working?
Yes, I can share.
Yeah. Who is sharing? Okay.
I think coding there is an error.
And is pick well. Rating, right? That is rating, no?
Yeah, only ratings.
Rating you have to give. Heart you have to give in the quotes. Single quotes. Rating,
Writing?
comma,
Okay.
heart is in the
Heart.
single quotes.
Okay.
Capital H. Single quotes. Is in the single quotes.
Error. Remaining. Can you check
Comma
remaining? Where?
is blank phone number.
Phone
Okay, that is fine.
number?
Now you check the syntax errors.
No. Here some error I'm getting.
Where is that?
Quote
I
is
think
not
some
closed.
bracket
Next
you
to
give an
heart.
extra bracket. Some extra bracket. The problem.
This one?
Yeah,
No.
that is required.
Yes.
That space also can you know it? Yeah.
The quote is not closed, sir.
Semicolon, sir. Semicolon. Upside.
This one?
Upper hot. No hot. Upper hot.
Now two brackets is not required.
Comma
Is
is
pick
required,
well
right?
of rating single
Comma,
quotes.
hot,
After
bracket,
T.
comma.
No. Upper hot. T. You have to semicolon. You have to put over there. After T. Yeah.
After T?
Only phone number. It's not the phone. It's number you remove. Only phone.
Okay.
Just try the.
No.
Still some problem is there.
Sir, his single quotes is not closed after hot.
Yes, sir.
After T, single quote is required.
So I'm writing your in message.
See, I check, I am
See over the message. I have written hot. After H and T.
Right.
Hot?
hello,
Now
sir.
try. Now
See
try.
the message.
Now try. Click on check
Hello,
syntax.
sir.
No.
Still some.
No doors. Wait one second.
Complete anyone ping them.
Sir, shall I share
Complete
sir?
thing. Just ping it. Ping in the group.
Yes, sir, complete.
Complete formula. Just ping it. For anyone it's working.
Can you see the message over there, sir? The error
Yeah.
is
Yes,
the
sir,
error will be
working.
that one, sir.
Whoever working, just ping in the group chat. Here, Teams.
Error is that one, sir.
Everyone getting error?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Can you ping me for whom it's working properly? The formula, complete formula.
Sir, ping this, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Can refer someone pinged in the group.
Sir, ping this, sir, already.
Devin, can you share the screen now? Now you can try this one. In the group, he pinged.
Formula is not there.
You're not able to see the chart.
Chat.
Chat.
Teams chat.
Okay.
WhatsApp. Not in the WhatsApp. Teams chat.
Okay. Yes, now it's working.
It's working? Nice. Just test it once in the leads tab. Can anyone share and show me how it's working?
Yes, sir.
Working
Yes, sir.
condition.
I'll stop share.
Okay. Right. So when you select card, phone number should not be blank, correct? Phone number should not be blank. Right, one more use case I will give you. Use case 3, try this one. Object is account. Object is account. Field is industry. Rating. Ownership. Industry, rating, ownership. Industry, rating, ownership. Rule is an industry is banking. An industry is banking or rating is hot. Rating is hot or ownership is public. Phone is blank. Phone is blank. Then throw error. What is the error message you have to display when industry is banking, or rating is hot, ownership is public? If any one of this one, if you are selecting, phone should not be blank. Phone should not be blank. You're getting my point? Industry is banking, rating is hot, ownership is public. Phone number should not be blank. Phone should not be blank. Phone should not be blank when industry is banking. Industry is banking, comma, ownership is public. Ownership is public, comma, sorry, rating is hot, right? One more, rating is hot. Rating is hot. So this much error message you have to display. Any of the conditions, anyone satisfied also, we will display the error message. Phone should not be blank in these cases. Industry is banking, ownership is public, rating is hot. Any one criteria met, then show this error message. Any one criteria met, just to save the data. Otherwise, you show this. At least industry you should select as banking, then save it. If industry is not banking, ownership is not public, rating is not hot, then show this error message. Try this one. Anyone completed, just ping me in the group and share your screen.
Sir, completed.
And or we have to use here. And or we have to use.
Sir, I'm sharing.
Okay.
Sir, can you able to see my screen?
Yes. It's working.
Working, sir.
Okay.
Mm. Okay.
So accounts, you have to open accounts. Give mandatory fields. Here SLA serial number something you give down. SLA serial number you give 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. SLA expiration date, current date you can take. Yeah. Now give SLA serial number also. Yeah. Click on save button. It will directly, I think it will save. Correct?
Yes,
Now
save, sir.
again go to edit. Go to edit. Go to edit mode again. Now select industry is banking. Industry is banking. Now try to save the record. Now it should fire the validation. Right. Phone should not be blank. When industry is banking, phone ownership is public, rating is high. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
What about others? What about others? Can anyone share and show me how it is working? What about others doing? Anyone trying? Can anyone share the screen and show me? Code, can anyone ping me in the group chat? ping me in the group chat. It's on. The formula, whatever completed,
Okay. Okay.
ping me in the group chat here. The teams.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me. Abhin, working?
Yes, sir.
It's working?
yes, sir.
Okay, good. Just try other some formula given in the group chat. Just refer it once, everyone. Formula given in the group chat. Just check once. Go through that. Just refer the formula. So in account object, you have to create this validation rule. In account object, you have to create the validation rule. See, like this, we have some 50 examples are there in the document. The document I'm going to send now. So what you have to do, take one by one and go through this validation rules document. It's the Salesforce official website given. Okay, the 35 pages. I think around some 50 validation rules, general, whatever required in the projects, the general they implemented. You have to practice. They given formulas also. They given proper formulas also given. For example, Canadian billing postal code. Canadian billing postal code. So one, see what is the error message here? This one. Error location, billing zip postal code. Postal code is the already existing field. And that field we have to implement this one. Billing zip code is in billing state. Right? If you want to check like this, so this is the validation rule. Description also they given, just go through. US billing zip code. US billing zip code. How to write this one? The zip code must be in 999. This format should be in this format for US related. If anyone working on US related projects, you have to implement like this. And shipping zip code. Right, there are some multiple examples. Valid billing province, Canada. Valid shipping state. Valid shipping province. So like this, we have some validations. You have to validation rules. You have to. Yeah. Everyone clear? This document I will share you. Just go through whenever you are getting time. This is clear, Amma? Because each and every example we cannot go. So just go through this document and implement some of the things. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
I will share this document later point of time after the completion of the class. So we'll go to, just I will give the introduction to the security in Salesforce. Heading security in Salesforce. Security in Salesforce. See how we will maintain the security in Salesforce. Just take this diagrammatic way. Understand? Let me give complete overview. The security. How many types of securities we can maintain? How many types of securities we can maintain? Okay. There are mainly two types of securities we can provide in Salesforce. Two types of securities. Level security, system level security, and application level security. Application level security. System level security, application level security. System level security, application level security. The system level security, you see, again I can divide into three parts here. System level security. There are three things in this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
A little bit disturbance is there, sir, from your side. The noise disturbance is there, sir.
Not my side. Someone
From
should
Abhin, I think
mute
so.
it. Someone please mute it. Now it's fine.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Just try down, Amma. I will be in mute. Have some problems here. Right. Just write down whatever I'm writing. Securities. See, system level security, three ways we can maintain. So you don't worry on system level security, authentication, authorization, social security. Your complete worry on mainly data level security, data security in Salesforce. The data level security is very, very important. Interviews, people will ask more questions on this area. Your complete focus on data level security, how we will maintain application level security. There are three types of application level securities we can maintain. Three types of application level securities we can maintain. First one is object level security. Object level security. See, object level security, three types we can maintain. Object level security, sorry, two ways we can maintain. Using profiles concept, by using profiles and permission set. Using profiles and permission set, you can maintain object level security. Object level security, how you will maintain? Profiles and permission set concepts. Remember, very, very important. This concept is very, very important. Definite questions in security. Without asking in this area questions, there's no don't expect the interviews. Don't expect the interviews. The object level security we can maintain using profiles and permission set. Profiles and permission set. Record level security. Record level security we can maintain using OWD. Using OWD. Record level security we can maintain using OWD and sharing rules. Sharing rules. OWD and sharing rules. Sharing rules, again, we have different types. Okay, manual sharing rules. Manual sharing rules. Everyone is writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right down. Sharing rules are again different types are there. Manual sharing rules. Manual sharing rules. Criteria based sharing rules. Criteria based sharing rules. I don't have space here. Just I will write criteria based like that only. Okay. Criteria based sharing rules you write down. This is one. Criteria based is second one. Criteria based second one. Owner based. Owner based sharing rules. Owner based sharing rules. Apex based sharing rules. Apex based sharing rules. Right. Four types. Sharing rules are four types. Record level security we can maintain. Record level security we can maintain using OWD sharing rules. OWD and sharing rules. Everyone following him?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Field level security. Field level security. field level security, 3 ways we can maintain. Profiles, record types, page layouts. Page layouts, record types. Record types. 3 ways we can maintain field level security. 3 ways we can maintain field level security. Field level security. Right. See, you are very completely on this area. Object level security, how you will maintain. More questions from here. Record level security, field level security. First is object. Object is nothing but a table. Table you want to show or not. Table you want to show or not. You are giving table read permission, edit permission, right? How you are giving access to the table. In the table, what we have? In the table, what we have? In the table, we have a records, right? This is the next level. This is the second level. Record level security. How you are maintaining record level security? OWD. Organization wide default. OWD is nothing but organization wide default. It's a record level security. Records how you are displaying to the user. Object level security. Table you want to show or not. Field level security. The fields. Field how you are displaying. The field if you want to display or not. There are 3 levels of securities we can maintain in Salesforce. Everyone clear? Object level security, what is the concepts I told? How you will achieve object level security? Profiles and permission set. Profiles and permission set. Profiles, you know, right, already. What is profile? Can anyone tell me quickly? What is profile? If anyone asks in interviews, what is your answer? Don't take this much gap.
Set of features.
Huh? Tell me. What is profile in Salesforce? If anyone asks, what is your straight away answer? Silence is very dangerous. Silence is very dangerous. Make some noise.
Access to data.
Okay.
Like what application you can see,
What
user can see.
applications user can able to see? What tabs
Yes.
you can see? What fields we can see? It will
What
control
object,
administrative permissions. What objects we can able to see? Your work. Profiles decide your work.
Yes,
Roles will decide your structure of the organization. Roles will decide structure of the organization. Profiles will decide what you want to see in the, what kind of permissions you have. All will decide by object profiles, right? Profiles. So we'll see some points about here, how you will maintain object level security by using profiles. And another concept is permission set. Permission set. Extra permissions we are providing. On top of profiles, what you are getting permissions. Apart from that, extra permissions you are giving to the user. That is nothing but permission set. Permission set. We will discuss briefly on this. And OWD, record level security. Which record you want to display, which record you don't want to display. Everything controlled by your OWD, organization wide default. And sharing rules. Manually, you can share the records to the other persons based on the criteria, based on the owner and Apex based code level also we can share the records. Field level security, 3 points always you have to remember. One is profiles, page layouts. Already we saw page layouts. We know what is page layouts. Record types also we saw. What is page layout? Can anyone tell me? What is page layout? See, whatever completed topics you should read properly.
Page layout, how the object should view in the profile.
Yeah. See, how the fields you are displaying, how the object is displaying to the profiles. Manager profile, you show only 10 fields out of 100. Clerk profile, you show only 5 fields out of 100 fields. That will decide by your page layouts. What is record types? What is record types?
If you want to create more than one page layout in a same profile,
Page layout
that
you can
use
assign
it.
to the profiles. Pick list values if you want to show different way. We can use record types. Everyone clear?
Yes.
These things I am not going to discuss again and again. Security, how you are maintaining. See, what are all new topics here? That is my main focus. But you should know what is object level security, what is record level security, what is field level security. Don't tell OWD, by using OWD, I can maintain field level security. Not at all possible. This is record level security we can maintain. Don't confuse in the interviews. So you by heart it. Object level means 2 things you have to remember always. Profiles and permission set. The profiles, some of the things we saw. And still I will discuss some portion how we will maintain read access, delete access, how we will give. Permission set is a new concept we are going to discuss completely. OWD is a new concept. Sharing rules are the new concept. Here I think almost all covered. Field level security as of now, profiles we saw, page layouts we discussed, and record types also we discussed. So these 3 things we are going to discuss tomorrow class.